Guys, what's up? It's NoyTebs here. So today I'm here at Jollibee in Edmonton. First Jollibee in Alberta, Canada. So there you go guys, again nandito tayo ngayon sa parang nagla-line up tayo sa loob ng tent nila dahil I think nag-open sila dito, that was August 16 and it's pang 2 weeks na yata nila to, and again talagang napakaraming pila and I was there inside. Ang sabi sa akin parang 2 hours pa daw yung line up bago ka makapasok, but again patient lang talaga kasi bago pa nga nagbukas eh. Meron silang lineup guidelines dito na talagang kailangan mo lang bumili ng maximum purchase of $60 and meron din silang 5 lang na burger, 10 peach mango pie, and then may numbering sila dito para at least yung smooth ang lahat matbigyan ng serbisyo ng Jollibee. Dito tayo sa loob and doon sa tent nagkaroon sila ng free order, kaya medyo mas madali. Pagpunta mo dito sa cashier, bigay mo lang itong papel and then go sa go na. Ayan, so dito tayo sa loob after 1 hour and a half waiting. Ayan, so we'll see and kakain tayo. So there you go guys, ayan, nakapag-order na tayo and nag-aantay lang tayo ng ating pagkain at meron silang number. Ayan, so magre-ring lang to. Pick upin natin yung order. Ayan, so excited ako matikman yung kanilang chicken and burger steak. Yun yung in-order ko. Yan, ito na yung order ko. 2 chicken na spicy and meron din ako 2 rice and meron din akong burger steak. There you go. So we're gonna try this one guys. We'll see. There you go. So mayroon tayong gravy dito and again ita-try natin itong gravy nila. Talagang napakabango. Wow, napakasarap ng gravy nila dito. So delicious yung chicken nila. Talagang napakasarap. And then yung spicy nila, talagang napaka-spicy talaga. Then we're gonna try their burger steak. Wow. Parang creamy yung kanilang I don't know what's the right term on that one, but talagang napakasarap, napakalasa ng kanilang gravy sauce sa kanilang burger steak. So kakain muna ako and we'll see again sa final nating review. So there you go guys, so I'm done. And again, yung order ko na Chicken Joy na hot spice talagang napakasarap. And yung aking burger steak, talaga naman napaka-juicy ng kanilang burger steak. Plus yung gravy doon sa burger steak talagang napaka-perfect. Ayun, so again, yung kanilang pineapple juice talagang perfect, napakasarap din. And then yung kanilang customer service din dito talagang napakaganda dahil napaka-organized ng kanilang customer service dito in terms of pagkuha ng orders. Plus again, yung mga service crew dito sa Jollibee nila talagang napaka-accommodating at napaka-playful nila. Thank you for watching NoyTebs vlog. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.